Hey guys, it's Mike again. Glad to have you guys back for another video where we experience tech together. And today is a special video because we're gonna be unboxing this whole deal here. So, what this is a package from Saatchi. I met them at CES. They're all about desk organization and creating accessories for your desk, and they look very nice, and I've always been a big fan of them, and they sent me this box of stuff and goodies for me to deck out my desk with. So we're gonna see what's inside, and yeah, let's get right into it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm not kidding, this is quite a lot. I don't know where to start at this point. It's like Christmas, but it's February. So let's get going. Okay, so I guess to start off with here, we have the desk and the Mate version 3. Actually, can you guys see what I'm doing? There, I think that's a bit better. Ooh, snap. Ooh. It has like this hexagonal shaped texture for your desk. And this is nice because with my IKEA mat over here, it's actually too big. So when I put it on my desk, this feels very premium. Yeah, I quite like this. So having a desk mat is nice because it gives a dedicated space for your mouse and your keyboard and all that, and kind of separates it from everything else. I don't know what it is, it just adds a sophisticated touch to your desk when you have one. Okay, next is this laptop stand, and this is actually very useful. I'm using one right now on my desk. I'm actually using this again downstairs because it saves a lot of space when your laptop's just not flat on your desk, and that takes up a lot of desk real estate that I'm low on. So this is a very good product, and it's very sturdy as well. I love how I can just adjust the base and the width just by turning this knob. I don't have to like use any hexagonal keys to adjust it. It's very adjustable just over here, and it's very minimalist and very heavy duty is the word. So that's awesome. And next, ooh. Boy. See, in these situations, I wish I had an overhead cam so you can see what I'm seeing. But maybe in the future. This is the aluminum monitor stand. So it's made of one piece of metal. Ooh, that's nice. So hopefully it will fit my monitor because my monitor base is a bit bigger. This is sick. You can also put your laptop on it, and having more space underneath gives it more room for you to put your keyboard, so you can free up space for you to write with. So that's really nice. So it comes with these rubber round stamp things too. So it adds some grip to the bottom of the base. So we're gonna put that on. And there it is. The bases are attached on the bottom like that, and it's very grippy. Whew. Okay, next. And by the way, at the end, we are gonna change up my desk setup so you can see the difference and what it does. So really excited about that. And then we have the R1 stand. It works for your iPad and your phone and all that other jazz. Ooh. Here it is. This one is in space gray. Everything I have is in black, but I chose space gray because it kind of stands out from all the other black things that I have. And when it's compact, it's this small. And when you take it out, it's like, oh, it does take a bit of force to move this around. And it's like this. So the test here is if I put my iPad on it, is it strong enough? It's pretty sturdy. You tilt this a bit forward. So this is nice. So I have somewhere to put my iPad, and it looks pretty good. It's definitely a high quality stand made of all aluminum. There's nothing cheap about this, and most importantly, it's sturdy and it's not gonna change the angle if my iPad is too heavy or anything. And I can also put my phone on this as well, so very nice. And next up, we have the headphone stand, which is very interesting. The packaging is very slim. I guess you kind of have to build it. Ooh. So it's a lot smaller than I thought it was. So it comes in like this. Please don't drop. Hopefully you can see that. And you just gotta put them together with these screws over here. And let's see how that looks. Ooh, snap. It's actually really tiny, which is good because it minimizes the amount of stuff that's on your desk. So with my Sony's on here, oh snap. How does this look? And I just wanted to compare with my IKEA ones. So it's definitely a lot smaller, less space needed, and it's the space gray color, which is fancy. And next, we have the 108 watt Pro USB power delivery charger. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. Ooh. So you do need to plug this into the wall, into the brick over here. It uses this kind of connection for it to work. This is nice so that you don't have to be stuck to the wall. But it's also nice if I can just plug this into the wall. But I guess this is like too heavy for the wall to support it anyways. But this comes with 2 Type-C ports and 2 USB ports. One is 90 watt and the other is 18, so you can charge your laptop and your phone or whatever that you need to have that much wattage. Yeah, this can charge a lot. And this is the desktop version. They have a travel version, but I need more power. Power is always good, and it's not that big anyways. So just to compare with, this is the Apple charger. So it's a tiny bit bigger, but it can do quite a bit more. So depending on your needs, this is pretty sick, for my use at least. Okay. Next, my favorite thing, which is very useful, especially if you're a Mac user, is this USB-C dual multimedia dongle. Let's see how big it is. Oh, this is big. Ooh. That is satisfying. So this dongle is space gray as well, and it's very heavy duty. It actually uses both the Type-C ports to process all that information. So this dongle has like 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, 1 USB Type-C, and a Ethernet port, and most importantly, your SD and micro SD card reader slots. So for the longest time, I've been using this SD card reader. It's actually really fast, and I hope it's the same speed. I'll let you guys know in the comments after doing some testing, but it's this small, but it only does that. So I like how everything is in here. It's gonna minimize all the cables that I have on my desk. But man, I mean, if you're traveling, I think this is the only dongle thing you would ever need to bring. So that's really nice, like it. Bam. And you know what? I think that's it. So let's get into the desk setup and see what it looks like right now and see how it actually makes it look better. This is my desk, and we're gonna see how the things will make it look different, changing the mat, changing the headphone stand, and hopefully it'll give this black part more space so it looks bigger instead of a black hole over there. But let's see how it works out. Okay. So problem over here, my monitor is too big for that stand. That's gonna work for something like a iMac or something, but you can still use this with your laptop and everything if that's your only thing. But remember to check the mounts before you get this. See, the thing is with this ultralight, it's very nice. It's by BenQ, but it does not have a VESA mount arm, so I can't have a monitor arm sticking out like this, leaving that flat for my laptop. That would have been a nice place for my laptop. But yeah, I guess I have to use my old stand. Okay, it's kind of done, so I'll show you what I did. So, zoom out, there we go. So the stand works pretty well with my iPad. Without it, I would not have been able to put it on my desk in a cleaner manner. And then over here, we have the desk mat. This is actually really nice. I really like it. It's small versus my other one, which is like really big. So it's a nice touch. And with the monitor stand, I cannot use it on my ultra wide. So I put it down here instead so that I can put my notebook and my gaming mouse on top. And if I need to, I can just put it in here like that, tuck it in, and I have all this desk space to work with. And then over here, I have my desk chargers. This can charge my laptop when my laptop is out here, which is gonna be nice. The only thing is that I think the best way is to lay it flat. If they could have added a wireless charger to charge your iPhone, in this case, I have a BlackBerry, it doesn't have wireless charging, but if that could charge something else as well, that would have been great, but it doesn't. So maybe that's something to add in the next version. And what I noticed with these headphone stands is that it's super small. So compared to my IKEA one, I can only put 2 of my IKEA headphone stands, but with this Hitachi ones, I can put 3 headphones. So more of those would be nice in the future to add to my collection. And the thing I wanted to mention here is that this cable, this is best used when it's not on a vertical stand, because when it's vertical like this and you plug it in, it kind of just hangs like that and has no place to go. But if your laptop is flat and you can plug all your other stuff in, it's not gonna be a problem. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I really like the quality of the stuff. Everything feels really premium, and yeah, it's just nice to have. And like Sastachi didn't even tell me to make this video. They just sent in all of this so that I can deck out my desk. So I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for doing that. It's really heartwarming. Anyways, I hope you guys really like this one, and I got links below for everything that's mentioned here. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this kind of new type of vlogish video, or just me sharing my stuff. And I will see you in the very next video. Bye. Okay, and by the way, how was my voice? Because lately there's a lot of people complaining about my audio quality, of how echoey it is. So I'm using a lav mic right here, and is it more echoey? Does it sound boomy or not that clear, I guess? So let me know in the comments below.